Assalamualaikum KG class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today first I have to show my, remember, red bin activity. Look, my plant is so big. Where's your plant? I really want to see. And I have really too many stickers for all of you. Saad, you have really uploaded your jar, but I want your picture with that jar. Fahad, Mariam, Zainab, Ashir, I really know your mama says you really enjoyed the activity. I really love it. Okay, Kumail, I didn't get your activity still. Okay, today's our activity with vegetables. We have to print on white paper. So we need vegetables, capsicum, onion, potato, and you can use whatever vegetable available at your home. Okay, and don't tell your mama I want this. Whatever is available, you can do activity with them. Need some colors, brushes, water, and a white paper. Okay, let's start our activity. Take a brush, put it in the water, and I think which color we have to put on this onion. Come on, I think red. Okay, fine. Like this. Look, we have to put red color on onion. Okay, we put it here. Now, press it. Okay, beta? It's halfway, but it's looking nice. Okay? When we can, if you think it's not, we can use some more and like this. And we do it again on the same way and press with your two hands. Okay, Saria? Wow, it's looking nice now, is it? Put it back. Now, I think take this one or this. Okay, first we take small one. Which color? Green? No, its color is green or orange. We have to take orange color. Filza, I know you are talking. Ira, I really need your activities. I know you can do very well. Amna, you're doing very good job. I'm watching your activities. You can take your mama's help in cutting the vegetable. Please don't use knife. It's sharp, you're little. Okay, put it back. Take like this. Put on the page. Press it like this. Okay, beta? Like this. But it's something, you can use a lady finger and put, press it here. There will become a beautiful flower. Is it nice? Okay, fine. Now we can use big one. Now we use blue color. Look, seeds are so beautiful. You can use all the vegetables. Don't, look like this. Okay. You can use apple also. And this is the last vegetable I have in my hand. So we can use yellow color. Oh, it's become orange now. It's okay. Which color is this? Like this. Like this. And you can do whatever painting you want and upload your pictures on your site. Like this. It's I know, it's just I'm telling you how to print it. Then we'll go back to school. I will do you how we arrange all vegetables and make some picture. Okay, mera beta, take care. Love you all. Miss you all. Stay safe. Stay home.